Nisharese, and I'm back with another video. Just going to show you guys how I do my foundation face routine. No long intro, let's just hop right into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to prime my face with this Tatcha, the silk canvas. And this is actually the travel size. This stuff is really expensive. I got it from Sephora. So I just wanted to try the travel size, which was like $24 or something like that. But yeah, just rubbing this all over my face. Cannot put product on your face without moisturizing and priming. All right, the next thing I'm gonna use, one more primer, is the Milani Prime Shield, and this is a mattifying one, which I definitely love. I cannot stand being oily, or by the end of the day, your makeup is breaking up and sliding all around your face. That ain't cute, sis, it ain't cute. So, rubbing that all in. I don't put foundation on my forehead, so I really don't need nothing there. Whatever was left over from the concealer when I cleaned the top of my brows, I just blended that upward, but no extra product will be used. Not liquid, that is. So I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Place, my all-time favorite. This is the 310 Burkina. And I'm just going to take a little bit of that on just a flat brush, and I'm focusing that just under my eyes where I might have dark spots. I know I said this plenty of times before, but I do not like liquid over my entire face. It's because I feel like it makes me cakey early. I'm taking a wet beauty blender and just moving that product around just a little bit. And you do whatever works for you. This is what works for me. Normally by the end of the day, because I have oily combination skin, I just be looking like a grease ball, and it's pretty embarrassing. Pretty embarrassing. I'm gonna take just a brush, a fluffy brush, and push that product in a little bit more, making sure it's blended all the way out. Get those outer edges. If you're putting liquid over your entire face, which is what most people do, just make sure you're blending all the way out. Look, I'm already a little oily right there. So annoying. So I'm going to take my Juvia's Place. This is the number 12 concealer, and I'm putting just a little bit of that underneath my eye. It's best to let this dry down just a little bit, because you get more coverage, it seems like, when the product is dry. But for video purposes, I'm just going to push it in now. But normally, if I'm not recording, I do let that sit for a little bit. I just want to make sure I don't have any of my dark circles showing through. We want to be flawless. Flawless. Happy Monday, y'all. It is Monday, a new week, a new chance. I did my brows and my makeup, eye makeup that is, off camera. I just used one pink shade from my Zulu Juvia's Place palette. My all-time favorite, you know. Okay, so when we have all of that blended in, I'm gonna go with one more concealer, and this is the ColourPop Dark 40. I got this from Ulta, and it's just a tad bit brighter than the number 12. So I'm gonna just brighten up under my eyes just a little bit more, because we extra. I'm taking the same wet Beauty blender. I'm pushing that in. Again, if I wasn't recording, I'd let that dry down just a little bit more, but we can still get the job done. I tried to be simple with my eye makeup because my hair is so dramatic. I don't want to look like a clown in these streets. Biggest part of face is just making sure not only do you have the right color, but that you're blending. You're blending, you are winning. I'm gonna take a bigger, this is another e.l.f. brush. It's just a bigger one, but I just want to make sure one last time all that foundation and concealer is pushed in with no harsh lines. I would say that is it. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my Sasha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm taking the wet beauty blender that I was using and just going to set underneath my eye. I'm not gonna bake too long. I don't really like to bake. Sometimes I forget that it's on there and I end up baking anyways, but getting just on the edges of my nose, that's where I sweat or get oily a lot. Just pushing that product in, making sure it's even, and this will keep your liquids in place. You know. Okay, and then next I'm gonna go with my powder foundation. This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear, and it's in the 7W1 Spice. And I'm gonna take a flat powder brush, another e.l.f. brush, and I'm just getting a nice amount, generous amount of product on the brush, and I'm going on the outer portions of my face, wherever I didn't put that liquid. So it still will have an even finish, and your whole face will look like it's been touched. But this powder is a little less heavy, so it doesn't make me oily as fast or as much as my liquids do. Again, this is preference. We all do what works for us, but this is what I like to do. Always make sure you get that chin and that neck. We don't want no double chins. We want to leave the house with one chin. You know? One chin. Where my one chin gang at? Goofball. As long as everything is blended in, we win it. Okay, so we have that down. And now I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty. It's the Mocha Mommy. You already know the drill. I'm taking like a big fluffy angled brush. I don't know where I got this from, Bella Beauty. Probably TJ Maxx, honestly. Taking another generous amount, and I'm gonna put that on my jaw, my cheekbone. Just tap, 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 tap. You see that? Get that jawbone. You see. Other side. There's really no right or wrong way to do any of this. YouTube is just about showing the way you do it, and then you take from it what works for you, and whatever doesn't, just leave it there. But this is what works for me and has me feeling like I look snatched all day. And you're bringing that product going upwards so that, you know, just gives the illusion of a thinner face. Okay, and then I'm going to take quickly my same e.l.f. blush palette, And this is, I don't know what kind of brush this is, but we gonna use it. I'm just tapping into, I'll go with the top two today. I just do whatever I feel like at the moment. Smile. Bring that product up. Same thing. Sometimes I go overboard with the blush. Don't tell nobody. I'm gonna dust off that Sacha Buttercup. Dust it off. We don't need it no more. This is so simple, yet so cute. I'm gonna take my Milani, what is this? The translucent medium to deep powder. This is like my skin complexion. And I'm gonna take the same beauty blender and I'm gonna clean up the line a little bit. Just so it could be more defined and look more snatched. I like to use this color because it's closer to my skin complexion. So when I'm blending out, I don't have to put all that elbow work into it. So I don't let that sit for long. I'm going to wipe off this lip gloss. And while that's sitting, I'm gonna take this, it's hot chocolate. It's just a brown lip liner that I got from my beauty supply. And I'm gonna outline my lips. Like this brown. Again, it's called hot chocolate. That's what I like to think that I am, hot chocolate. And then I'm gonna take this pink matte lipstick. It's a liquid lipstick. I don't know what shade or what brand this is, so forgive me. If you really, really wanna know, I can research, but offhand, I don't know. I'm just going to put that in the center. And kind of blot that around. And then I have it's from Makeup Revolution, and the shade, I don't know. Again, I don't know, but it's like a nude color. And I'm gonna put that on top of it. Makes like a pretty soft pink color. This is my MAC's lip gloss. I've been using this since high school, and I don't think there will ever be a lip gloss that compares. I got it from, of course, my local beauty supply. They sell them everywhere though. This is literally a holy grail. Okay, so I'm gonna take that e.l.f. brush, any brush will do, and just dust away that product. And that, my friend, is how we slay a face, yeah. My Milani Make It Last matte spray. I always say that feels so good and it smells so good. Now I'm just pushing the products in my face and making sure everything is blended out, giving me kind of a soft finish. You can just let it sit in without doing this step, but the crazy part of me always feels like it leaves watermarks or something. I don't know. I just would rather help it out. And that, my friend, is what we call a beat. You see me? You see, you saw that before I wiped it. That was a watermark. That's what I was talking about. We don't want that. All right, but we got it. I'm in your face. Can you see me? Can you see? Can you see? All right, so this completes today's video. Hope that you enjoyed. Hopefully you picked up a trick or two that you might be able to incorporate in your daily makeup routine. I didn't do anything. I had to take that scarf off. You know, we can't finish a video with a scarf and a raggedy shirt on, but just have this blunt cut wig on. Simple eye look. If you have any questions, please make sure you leave it down in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Follow my Instagram, Nisharese, and Coacertified. And you already know, I will see you in my next video. Bye.